Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 mic not working. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there are going to be a few things that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing that you do here is to basically unmute their microphone. So the microphone on the Arctis 5 might be muted accidentally, so how do you check for it? So you want to look at the mute button near the volume wheel on your headset. Now, if the microphone has a red light, it's actually muted, and you want to go ahead and press the mute button to unmute it, and the red light should turn off. Now, by the way, the mute button looks similar to this one. It should have a microphone that has a cross on it. It's the mute button. So go ahead and just press on it. Now, if that doesn't work, there are still a few things that you can do here to fix this issue. So first is you need to install the SteelSeries engine. So to make sure that your headset works properly, you want to install the SteelSeries engine software. So in this case, this application allows you to customize advanced features for your Arctis 5. It also helps you with syncing profiles and configuring settings. So in this case, it's better to follow the guide that was provided with your headset. Usually there's going to be a small booklet that you could refer to basically install the SteelSeries engine. Now, next thing you can do here is you might want to configure the microphone settings on Windows. So here in Windows, what we need to do is we want to go and access our privacy settings. So what we need to do is you want to go to the bottom left here, and you want to go ahead and just type in settings. So open it up, and from here, you want to go ahead and click on the option for privacy. So usually it's going to be in here, and in here, what we need to do is we need to change a few things. So you want to go ahead and look for the allow apps for your microphone. So here at the left side, you want to go to microphone. And from here, you want to make sure that the allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. And you want to make sure that the apps that you want to access your microphone is enabled here. And in this case, also allow desktop apps to access your microphone. So make sure to allow this one. And in this case, you go ahead and specify here. So in this case, just turn this on. Usually it actually solves that issue. Now, another thing you want to do here is you want to adjust a few settings. So at the bottom right, you want to go ahead and look for your microphone or your speaker here. You want to right click on it and you want to go ahead and choose the sounds option. Now in here, you want to go ahead and choose the appropriate one. So let's go ahead and click on playback. And you want to go ahead and select your headphone. You want to right click on it. And you want to make sure that you set this as your default device. Another thing you might want to do is you want to go to your properties. And in here, you want to go to your levels. And you want to make sure that it's not actually muted. Now, if you do see this, like this one, so it's muted. So you want to go ahead and click on it so that you have volume or you can hear volume. By the way, if you have this all the way down, you want to make sure that you maximize this one so that you can actually hear from your headset. But yeah, so those are the things that you can try here to probably solve this issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.